Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to see important topics: diary writing, what are the benefits, then dictionaries, treasures, and encyclopedia. Okay, everybody knows what is a diary. Diary is a personal document. Personal document, not an official document. For your own satisfaction, you are going to write the diary. Daily events. Big personalities used to write diary, used to maintain diary. You yourself can start writing diary now itself. How to write a diary? How to start diary? Today events, the day events, special events. Daily we are waking up in the morning and brushing and taking food, going to college, coming to home. These are routine work. You need not mention it. Put a date. Special events. Your thoughts, your feelings on that day. It may be useful. Definitely it will be very useful. Keep a diary. There is a quote. Keep a diary. Someday it will keep you. Keep a diary. Someday it will keep you. அது உங்களை பாதுகாக்கும். You can recall your memories. You can recall the things what you have done already. Suppose if you want to know what I have done last year, 2 years back, immediately you can refer. You may purchase one thing, then you can get the details from your diary. Teachers may guide you. Teachers might give some important aspects, useful things, useful tips. Immediately today, that day you write that will help you. So keeping a diary is very, very important. It is a personal document. Gandhiji's diary, Motilal Nehru's diary, big personalities, they used to write diary. That speaks volumes. Okay, diary writing. Okay, next. Dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary everybody knows. Whatever you want to know, you can refer dictionary. Oxford Dictionary. Oxford Dictionary. Famous. It provides everything. Building your vocabulary. You want to know meaning for a word, immediately you can refer dictionary. There is bilingual dictionary, English, Tamil. That will be very useful. Everybody can understand without anybody's help. See, dictionary is not only for learners, but also for translators. Translation purpose. You can use bilingual, trilingual dictionaries, Little Lifco dictionary in those days. That will be very useful. I have studied. Whatever you want, you are writing, you are reading a passage, you are writing. Immediately you have doubt. Immediately you cannot ask a teacher or you cannot go and refer somebody. You must have a diary with you, a dictionary with you. Immediately you can understand the meaning of the word. Dictionary, very useful. Dictionary. We used to refer, he is like a dictionary, he knows everything. Some famous film actors, they are like dictionaries. Juniors who are coming, then they will refer the films, how they are acting. They used to say, he is our dictionary, we will refer you. So, dictionary you know. Next, treasures. What is treasures? T-shirts. T-shirts. Oxford Dictionary T-shirts. It gives list of synonyms, also antonyms. It is an aid for article writing. It is available in library also. You can use appropriate word from these T-shirts. Correctana word. எந்த கரெக்டான வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So many words will come into your mind. do not know what word we have to apply here, you can choose appropriate word from thesaurus. It is available. So dictionary, thesaurus, these are all one and the same group of words. Next, page number 28 to 34. It comes in your book. Next, encyclopedia. Encyclopedia means it contains everything. Encyclopedia Britannica available. You can go and search in your library, or you can buy for your own. It will help you throughout your life. It contains everything. It begins. To begin research, you got to refer encyclopedia, topics. See, nowadays, not hard work is not enough. You have to do smart work. For smart work, you can refer encyclopedia. Encyclopedia contains everything. We used to say a person who knows everything, very big personality, we refer as he is an encyclopedia. Whatever doubt, you can contact. Unga relations irupang, unga friends irukku. You will say, hey, he knows everything. You can compare him with the encyclopedia. He is like encyclopedia. A person who knows everything, he will be compared with encyclopedia. Encyclopedia madringa. He knows everything. So it contains everything. So encyclopedia in Britannica. It is like nervous system, central nervous system encompassing all knowledge. Ella knowledge adu irukku. It saves your time. It has topics, catalogs of topics. Authentic information, that is more important. It provides authentic information. Adha nambala. Adhaan final. Adu romba mukkiyam. Somebody will say this will be good, that will be good. It may be wrong. But encyclopedia, if you refer, that is authentic. It provides authentic information. See, nowadays, in internet you have Wikipedia. You can compare Wikipedia with encyclopedia. In social media, Wikipedia. It provides concepts, names, processes. How to do that? Process. So everything comes in encyclopedia. So you have dictionary, you have thesaurus, you have encyclopedia for your improvement of reading and writing, to improve your knowledge. Authentic informations will be provided in encyclopedia. Source of informations, diary, personal document. So these are the things you have to practice. You got to refer dictionary daily. You can improve your vocabulary. You got to refer encyclopedia, new topics, current topics. And go for internet Wikipedia. You have mobile in your hand.